Most people think they're doing push-ups right. They're not. And bad form doesn't just slow your progress, it sets you up for real injuries. Here are the 5 biggest push-up mistakes Americans make and exactly how to fix them. First, looking up while you push. It feels natural, but craning your neck forward yanks your spine out of alignment and beats up your neck over time. Keep your gaze locked on a spot on the floor just in front of your hands. Your head should follow your spine, not lead it. Second, elbows flaring out to the sides. Letting your arms go wide puts your shoulder joints in a compromised position every single rep. Pull your elbows back toward your body at roughly a 45-degree angle. From a bird's-eye view, your torso and arms should form an arrow, not a T. Third, letting your hips sag toward the floor. This collapses your lower back and takes all the real work away from the muscles you're trying to build. Brace your core hard, squeeze your glutes, and hold a straight line from your head all the way down to your heels for every rep. Fourth, rolling your shoulders forward at the top. That rounded position pulls your chest out of the movement and dumps everything onto smaller muscles that burn out fast. Keep your shoulders pulled back and your chest proud throughout the entire set. Fifth, pushing straight up and down like an elevator. That path leaves a ton of chest activation on the table. Instead, think about driving the floor away from you at a slight forward angle. That subtle shift changes everything. Fix these 5 things, and your push-ups will build more strength in a week than sloppy reps would in a month.